It's not like eat a sort of seaweed and you never have to go to the doctor again, but it is by and large one of the healthiest things that you can eat, indeed. That is true. I was working at Heineken at the time when we started talking about this. And beer is not that hard to sell, really, if you think about it. But seaweed, that was a whole new concept. And that's when we both got very excited.
Currently, over 90% of the seaweed produced in Europe is being produced through the practice of wild harvesting, which goes out and kind of strips the ecosystem, which is an incredibly important ecosystem for the ocean. It works as a nursery for fish. It produces a tremendous amount of the planet's oxygen. It is a CO2 sink. It works to balance the nutrients in the ecosystem and also against the coastal erosion. So it basically functions as the rainforest of the sea. And with that in mind, the production of it is increasing each year by approximately 10%, and it's important to transition that to a sustainable model.
A lot of countries like China, Korea and Japan especially, there's a lot of seaweed consumption. In Europe and North America, it's not part of our culture. So a lot of people are hesitant. Have a bite?
Yes.
Do you taste the seaweed?
No, never. It's super crunchy and tasty.
Okay. Our prediction has been that it will take about 20 years to get people to get used to the idea of eating seaweed. We're now in year 7 and we've made a lot of headway. I don't say that you have to eat less meat, but I'm offering you something that you could consider to add to your plate, and then it's your choice if you want to eat anything else a little bit less.